know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go along when we are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Okay, how about 1,000 pesos this time? Anyone? No more? Ma'am Eshi? Ma'am? Ma'am, are you okay? Are you sure? You look so sad. Ma'am, please come back here. We're just kidding. It's part of the show. Come on, buddy, let's return the money. Okay, ma'am, Buddy saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, ma'am, please stand right here. Look at the camera and offer your cheek. Okay, let's go, buddy. Smile on the camera. Nice. Another one. Okay, how about on your hands? Just open your palm. Look at the camera. Smile. And now, there is your money. Your applause for a volunteer. And good. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species bird in Manila Ocean. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, that raised by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their vision that allows them to select with bird